Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Thursday, May 14th. It's a B-Day. Congratulations to our Achieve 3000 winners, Julia M. and Nathan V. Great job. Are you running out of books to read? One way you can access more books is through the Destiny app. All of the iPads have it on there, and it's a great way to access more books. Attention 8th graders. Click on the links at the top of the daily lesson plan to learn more about auditions for the high school musical and to sign up for fall high school sports. Think about it Thursday. So take a look at this picture. What number is under the parked car? The answer is 87. So if you look at the numbers upside down, you'll see that this number would be 87. So rather than looking at it from left to right, you have to look at it from right to left. Now it's time for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great day, Savannah Oaks.